Hi, welcome to our first Number Corner. We are going to be doing Number Corner every single day that we have school. So any holidays that we miss or any weekends, we just have to catch up on those days. So today we're going to focus on what's the date today. Well, today is September 8th, 2020. I can write it here in abbreviation for September is SEPT, period, 8th, 2020. Now I want you to think, what month is September in? So if I wanted to sing like the months of the year song, I could go January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. So I'm on the 9th month here. So I would write this 9/8/20. Okay, so that would be our year at the end. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and look at this calendar here. They're calendar markers, and we're going to go ahead and click on them. So this is a large view of what you were just looking at, and we're going to go ahead and click all the way to 8. Usually we wouldn't have this many, but we started school at a later date this year. So I want you to go ahead and look at this, and I want you to see if there's any patterns that you're noticing here. This is going to be a question that I pose for you on a Google form at the end of this presentation. So I want you to look at like these pennies here. I want you to look at this thing. If anybody knows what that is, that'd be interesting too. And there's some problems here as well that you might see. So I want you to see if there's any patterns, like maybe we could figure out what tomorrow is going to be for Wednesday. What is this going to be? Is it going to be one of these? Is it going to be a penny, or is it going to be a problem? Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and go into our second activity of the day for Number Corner. It's called 60 Minutes a Day. And in 60 minutes a day, I want you to look at these two clocks right here, and I'm going to go ahead and scroll in for you. There are two different clocks here. The only difference is this is the minute clock, and this one here is the hour clock. Now, does anybody remember how many minutes are in an hour? There's 60, right? So every single day that we are in school, we're going to be recording on this sheet you see here. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and click it so you can see what it looks like. Here it is right here. So we are in our first day of school today. So for today, how many minutes? For every single time we're in school, we're going to collect 60 minutes, okay? So we are going to go ahead and write 60 here because we've done one day. We're in 60 minutes. And what time it would be 1 o'clock. Okay, so we're starting with 1 a.m. So tomorrow when we come here, we are going to go ahead and fill in the next one. So instead of 60 minutes, what's 2 days going to be? If you have 60 minutes, so 60 plus 60, how many minutes do you think this is going to be? What time do you think I'm going to write tomorrow? These are the things I want you to start looking at of the patterns so that you can start making connections of what might the next day be. Okay, let's go ahead and go back to our slide. I want you to go ahead and look at this clock that I'm going to pull up. Here's a clock. So if I was to take this is a larger hand notice. This is called your minute hand. This is the smaller hand right here. This is your hour hand. So every time I move my minute hand, you can see up here it's changing the time. So right here, it's 8:10. Right here, now it's 8 o'clock. So if I jump to the numbers, the first number is 8:05, 8:10, 8:15, 8:20, 8:25, 8:30, 8:35, 8:40, 8:45, 8:50, 8:55, and now we're at 9 o'clock. So as you look at these numbers right here, we are going up by how many minutes every single time we do a new number? I hope you came up with 5. So every single time we do a new number, we do 5 minutes. So it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. And then it's to whatever hour we're on. Okay. Okay, so this wraps up our number corner for today. We're going to do some more of this tomorrow, plus a few new things as well. So I hope you have a happy Tuesday, and I can't wait to see you on Zoom later.